Because all I do is care for our fucking family and bust my ass off every fucking day. But I don't get a thank you or nothing. I don't get anything. All these dishes, all the cleaning, all the extra work that I do, nothing. Because it's not your way. You control every fucking situation in our lives. And I am fucking fed up and done.
Ladies, if your man starts to sound like this, it's time to leave. Meanwhile, if a woman sounded like that, we would be telling the man that it's time to step the fuck up. I'm sorry. We are not on your side, ma'am. We're actually on his, and we hope that he picks better for himself, because the mere fact that you have put him in that position, he's not even yelling at you, first of all. This man is just expressing himself. You have put him in that position, and instead of taking accountability, instead of thinking, oh shit, man, maybe he's right. Maybe I'm not a saint. You want to put it on social media and you want to garner sympathy from women. And she got sympathy from women, but she also got a hell of a lot more women calling her out saying, we see through you. Restored my faith in my fellow women, honestly, because it just shows that there's a lot more of us that will hold fellow women accountable than the ones that won't. It's just that the ones that won't are like the loudest on social media, you know? Everybody wants a good man until it requires them to be a better woman. Then it's a different story. Then it's, ladies, it's time to leave. No, his emotions should not be an inconvenience for you. Actually, you deserve no more of his Willie the One-Eyed Wonder Wiener. Thank you.
Well spoken, sis. I'm with you on that. Good day, guys. Today's main video is a beautiful demonstration of why men need to know that when a modern woman's losing control, she tries to gain it through chaos. In today's clip, a cheating baby mama pulled up to a baby daddy's house with one mission: to provoke him and get him arrested. But she failed and got instant karma. Let's get into it.
I've been asking her to leave for 2-3 weeks, and she won't leave, and now she jumped on me, and so I called you guys. God, getting tired of her physically hitting me and stuff like that, and then whenever I try to keep her off me, she makes it more of a problem. You know what I mean? So I want her to go, and I've been asking her to go, and she just won't leave. Okay. She came over to wash clothes, and she never left. She doesn't get any mail here. She's gonna try to make it seem like she got keys to my house. She don't have any keys. She stole my keys. She stole my keys, and because I told her to leave, she went in there, and while I came outside, she went in there and stole my keys, man.
How you doing? What's going on?
I haven't did nothing unlawful. I just been standing out here talking because he's been talking to me. Yes, I have.
Okay.
He asked me to leave, and I told him I am not leaving. I've been staying here for over 6 months. I told him if he want me to leave, he can go to the courthouse and get an eviction for me, and I will leave. My kids, if you want to look, my kids and all of our stuff are up in here. He only want me to leave because he went through my phone and he found out about it. He walking around saying I got a yeast infection. Okay, I do. But he's only, all of this is because he woke up and he found out I was talking to somebody else.
Why is he saying you have a place in Pensacola Village?
You know, I do have one in Pensacola Village, but it got mold all over the place. He know about that situation. I haven't stayed in my apartment in over 6 months. I've been here for over 6 months. I can show you pictures in this house from 6 months ago.
I don't want her to have keys to that house. I'm the landlord.
It's her parents' house.
It's my parents' house. My both parents is there. And I don't want them to have no key. I let him rent the house.
He rents the house. She's not on a lease. She don't belong there.
She's not on the lease. She is not.
Like a month or two ago, and it's been hell ever since.
I don't know how long you've been here. We didn't even know you were staying here.
I'm gonna call my sister right now.
You finna go to jail is what you finna do.
No. Okay, I'll get my stuff.
No,
but why do I
you
got to get my stuff when I've been here for 6 months? That's not fair.
Stop talking.
That's not how the law works. I know how the law works.
I'm gonna explain it to you. You have no proof one way or the other. I have the owner.
What kind of proof you need? Tell me what kind of proof.
I have the owner telling me.
What kind of proof do you need? What kind of proof do you need?
Show me what bills you pay.
Okay. What you mean? His name is on everything. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Okay. The owner says you're not even on a lease. You ain't even supposed to be here.
It's not fair. Where am I going to take my kids? No, you're not listening because you're not a parent. Where am I going to take my kids? I can take you to PCV right now and show you my apartment. That's not fair. No, you got to tell me what you arrested me for.
You are going to jail.
What did I do?
Violence.
I did not hit. Wait. I did not hit him. Stop. Ernest, tell them I didn't hit you, please. Please, Warren. Please, mister, please look up the reports. He did this before. You're not listening.
All right, gentlemen. This was a live demonstration of something a lot of men still don't understand until it's too late. Some people don't want peace. They want control. And the moment control slips away, they escalate, they provoke, they hit, they lie, they cry, and they try to use the system as a weapon. Thank God he stayed calm. He called the cops, and the cops saw exactly what was going on. And that's why, guys, if you find yourself in such situation, never touch her. Never argue emotionally. Record everything if you can. Call authority first if she refuses to leave. Protect your freedom like it's your life, because it is. And today, she found out the hard way that the victim act doesn't always work when you're the one being violent.
Chad, Brad, Steven, and who else? Who else?
You guys are engaged and are about to get married soon. Is that true?
Dude, absolutely, yeah.
Are you down to see if your girlfriend is on any dating apps right now?
Yeah.
You be down to check?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see why we'd have to do that.
We're just going to be using Cheater Buster AI. And it's basically going to use AI to tell us if she's on any. I'm going to need a little info from you, though. It's like, what's your name?
Isabella?
You said you're 22? You guys are from Jersey? I'm guessing?
Yeah.
And I just got to get a picture of you just so the AI could, like, detect. It's loading right now. This just came up.
Yeah, what?
This is their Tinder.
No, it says you have 4 matches.
It says she was active on here 4 months ago.
But that was we were on a break. I don't.
On a break?
We're like arguing, but this is like
We're on a break.
4 matches. Chad, Brad, Steven, and who else? Who else?
Bro, we were on a fucking.
No, I don't understand this. I don't know, dude. This is too much right now. This is like.
Okay, but I don't understand. Like, we were on a break. So it doesn't matter.
How'd you find this?
The AI scans through all the dating apps, and this is her and her name.
Oh, wow. The engagement is definitely off. Protect your freedom, man. Protect your peace.
Isn't my car outside?
What car?
My car?
Oh, that car. Yeah, I sold it on Facebook Marketplace this morning.
Why would you do that?
I want you to think real hard about
How
that question.
am I supposed to get to work?
Yeah, that's not my problem anymore since we're getting a divorce.
What is wrong with you?
I found your Tinder.
Yeah, I don't feel bad.
Okay.
You literally just sold my car.
I bought that car too. It was mine.
That was my car.
Yeah, I gave it to you and we're getting a divorce, so it doesn't
You
matter.
better give me the money that you got.
Absolutely not. You're not getting anything from me. I'm taking the kids too.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
My name is Reginald. I'm 33 years old. I popped my balloon because I can see through your shirt.
Through the bottom of it? Yeah, not the nipples though.
Yeah, I can see through it. For me, that's just a little too much. I don't wear this cross just for any reason.
Absolutely.
And so, yeah, it's just, I'm not feeling it.
I respect it.
Appreciate you.
Now, if you enjoy these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because we expose modern dating and double standards every day on this channel. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, protect yourself. I'll catch you in the next one.